Ready to embrace timeless elegance? Discover 20 short hairstyles that boost confidence, flatter your features, and help you feel fabulous after 50. 1. Classic Pixie Cut. A timeless pixie with soft layers that adds volume and sharpness, perfect for fine hair. Side-swept bangs frame the face, flattering round and oval shapes. Elegant yet low maintenance, ideal for women seeking youthful ease. 2. Textured Bob. Soft choppy layers give natural movement and fullness to thin hair. A chin-length bob that beautifully highlights the jawline. A versatile style that looks chic with or without styling products. 3. Layered Crop. Layers add depth and lift. Perfect for women with straight hair. A cropped back with longer top layers offers a modern silhouette. A refreshing cut that balances elegance with practicality. 4. Shaggy Short Cut. Tousled layers create volume, making hair appear thicker. Don't forget to share your favorite style number in the comments. Ideal for women with wavy textures who love effortless styling. Tell us your favorite number below. A lively cut that projects energy and playfulness. 5. Sleek Chin-Length Bob. Smooth lines accentuate the cheekbones and jawline. A polished finish adds elegance, perfect for formal settings. A simple yet striking cut that complements fine features. 6. Modern Undercut Pixie. A bold choice with shaved sides and longer top layers. Adds volume at the crown, elongating the face. Perfect for women who want a daring, fashion-forward look. Share your favorite number with us. 7. Curly Crop. Tight curls shaped into a soft crop add bounce and life. Which style wins for you? Great for natural curls, emphasizing facial symmetry. Fun and expressive. It radiates confidence. 8. Side-parted Bob. A deep side part gives volume and draws attention to the eyes. Works beautifully with straight or slightly wavy hair. A classic yet modern option for everyday wear. 9. Soft Layered Pixie. Gentle feathered layers give dimension and softness. Frames the face delicately, suiting heart-shaped faces. Effortless style that embodies sophistication. 10. Angled Bob. Longer front strands create a slimming effect on the face. Sharp angles bring structure and modern appeal. Best for women who enjoy bold yet elegant hairstyles. 11. Wispy Bang Pixie. Light bangs soften forehead lines and highlight the eyes. Layers provide texture without overwhelming fine hair. A delicate look that combines charm and confidence. 12. Wavy Bob. Loose waves create a youthful, romantic vibe. Great for medium-thick hair textures. A style that transitions easily from casual to elegant. 13. Cropped Silver Cut. Natural silver tones shine in a chic cropped cut. A bold embrace of age that looks modern and classy. Ideal for women confident in their natural beauty. For top pick, type the number. 14. Tapered Cut. Tapered sides and back give a sculpted, neat effect. Adds height on top for a youthful silhouette. Perfect for low-maintenance elegance. 15. Rounded Bob. Soft rounded edges flatter fuller face shapes. Creates balance and harmony in facial proportions. Polished style that remains classic. 16. Choppy Pixie Bob. A hybrid cut with edgy choppy layers for modern flair. Works well with highlighted or colored hair. Trendy yet comfortable, balancing edge with softness. Share your favorite number now. 17. Short Feathered Cut. Light feathered layers create natural lift. Ideal for women with straight or fine hair. Airy and youthful, this cut brightens the look. 18. Sleek Side Pixie. Sleek styling with one side tucked behind the ear. Draws attention to cheekbones and earrings. Sophisticated and refined. Perfect for special occasions. 19. Voluminous Curls Cut. Defined curls styled short for maximum body. Perfect for naturally curly hair, adding bounce. Energetic and full of personality. 20. Tousled Bob with bangs. Light bangs with messy layers for relaxed charm. Adds fullness, especially for thinner hair types. A playful yet elegant style for everyday confidence.